We keep talking about DIY Legal, which is a new service that we're offering here in our firm, Family Matters Law Group. And DIY Legal is an option to offer families who either cannot afford or do not want to spend the money for full legal representation, with two options. Do-it-yourself coaching, where you represent yourself in family court through depositions, mediation, hearings, filing pleadings, etc. And we coach you and make sure you're educated, prepared, and absolutely have as much information as you need to navigate through this system. Or we offer limited representation, pay-as-you-go legal services, where you can hire us just for a hearing, or just to review pleadings, or just to review a document, or just to attend mediation with you. You can pay as you go and add things on as you need them without having full legal representation. Do-it-yourself legal. It's a really big game changer, you guys. The first step to working with us is to book a consultation and strategy session. Thanks for checking out our content. Don't forget to like and share.